Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on Lagrange's and Newton's polynomial. So this value is going to be simply 1 plus x square. Now for the same example, same data, coming to the Lagrange's is done. Coming to Newton's polynomial, we need to find Newton's basis first. So first is E naught, which is by default 1. Then next is E1 and one more we will have, that is E2. So this E naught is going to be, E1 is going to be x minus x naught, and x naught is 1. Sorry, x naught is 0. X naught is 0 and x1 is 2. So it is going to be x naught, which is 0, which will be simply x, and this one is going to be x minus x naught into x minus x1. So this will be x into x minus 2. What more we want to know? What more we need to know is LJs. So in this case it is alpha j. So alpha j, like we have x naught equal to 0, x1 is equal to 2, and x2 is equal to 4. Again, f of x naught is 1, f of x1 is 5, and f of x2 is 17. So this alpha naught is going to be directly f of x naught, which is 1, and then from this we can find f of x1 x naught x1. It is all same. This is going to be 5 minus 1, that is f of x naught by minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. This is 2 minus 0. So this is going to be 2, and similarly from this pair we are going to find f of x1 x2. This is f of x2 minus f of x1. So this is 17 minus 5, and x2 minus x1, this is 4 minus 2. So this is 6. And again from this pair we are going to get f of x naught x1 x2. This is f of x1 x2 minus f of x naught x1. So this is 6 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x naught. So this is 4 minus 0, and this is going to be 1. So this alpha naught is okay. So alpha 1, which is going to be f of x naught x1 is 2, and alpha 2, which is f of x naught x1 and x2, this is going to be 1. So all we have to do is put these values in the function. Polynomial function we are going to get for Newton is given as Pnx is equal to, this is going to be P2x, second order, E naught alpha naught plus E1 alpha 1 plus E2 alpha 2. So E naught is by default 1, alpha naught is 1 plus E1 is x and alpha 1 is in this case 2 plus x into x minus 2 into alpha 2, which is 1 again. So this is 1 plus 2x plus x square minus 2x, which is 1 plus x square. So this is the polynomial we are going to get. In both the cases we can see that the polynomial, in both the cases we have got polynomial to be 1 plus x square, and the x values, that is the data values, should get the value of interpolation. So let's see, x naught is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 4. So if you put x naught equal to 1, we will get f naught, let's say f naught equal to 1. For this we will get f1 equal to 5, and for this we will get f2 is equal to 4 square plus 1, which is 17. So these were the values we were provided with. So that means this is fine.